A surprise report says Nvidia is acquiring Groq for $20 billion. Yeah, I know this figure is shocking, but it is what it is. If true, this is going to reshape everything in AI world. It can crush or catalyze the competition and change how every AI app run under the hood. But before we dive into details, hello guys, I welcome you all in another brand new AI update where once again we are going to discuss some shocking AI facts. But let me clear you one thing. This is based on reports, not official confirmation at this time when you are going to listen this video. So today we will going to discuss that what it means for developers, startup and the GPU war. We will strategically see that why Nvidia took this step, what Groq actually bring to the table, and what to watch next in the AI world. So, Groq built custom language processing unit focused on deterministic, low latency interference, and Nvidia leads in the training and interference with CUDA GPUs. And this reported collab would fold that Groq speed-centric architecture into Nvidia stack. But point is that why it matters. So let me tell you. Training get into the headlines, but interference is where users feel it. That instant response we were talking about since a while ago, that when any AI tool responds promptly, Groq chase that. And if Nvidia really get into the magic, we are going to see a very massive collaboration. We are going to see some unrealistic thing happening in AI world. Because what it's moving towards, a lower tail latency and a higher output. And for enterprises, lower latency can mean higher conversation, better UX, and more predictable results. Now, the point is that we need to check that if the deal closes, who are going to be winners and who are going to be the losers. So let's have a look on the winners first. Number one is Nvidia, because they are going to lock in latency leadership that are going to get acceptance at wider level. Number two, enterprises needing real-time interference at scale because everyone wants a prompt response. And number three are developers who are already looking for something really speedy. With this, they are going to gain speed without migration pain. But also there are some parties who are going to lose this, such as competitive interference that are only depending on chip startups, or maybe cloud providers trying to differentiate on custom silicon, as well as open standard advocate if lock-in deepens. This also going to create a high market competition where we are able to see competitors where Nvidia is on one side and startups are on the other sides. So now, if you are someone who is building new startups or already working in some trend, you need to have a look on several things, just like building real-time apps. Keep an eye on token, that how a benchmark is going to be set. Also, you need to have a look on the cost sensitive things, because if you are getting a thing with a really high speed, really high prompt responding, of course it's going to be the cost effective. And think twice. Yeah, I am saying think twice if you are thinking to make a new investment in migration strategy. So now we really need to have a look, does these reports are going to come into existence or not, and for that we really need to wait for official confirmation from Nvidia and Groq. But tell me your thoughts in the comments. Do you think that this kind of collaboration is going to make an impact or even going to make a reality or not? I'll be waiting for your response, and of course we will be back with another AI video very soon. Till the time, goodbye.